This is exercise 4.2 class 6 NCRT. Before this, you must watch the introduction videos of basic geometrical ideas so that you can better understand this exercise. Before doing exercise, learn what is line, what are the types of line, what is curve, what is simple curve, what is open curve, what is closed curve. These and what is polygon. These topics you have to learn before this. Watch video related to this before starting this exercise. Now here classify the following curve as open and closed. In first, in the first figure you can see this is a open curve. As the definition of open curve is the starting point, the beginning point and the end point. Starting point and the end points of a figure are always same. In Z there is these points are not same, so that's why it is an open curve. In B part you can see the starting and the beginning points are same and the figure is completed and it is closed, so we can say yes, the given curve is closed. In C part you can see the beginning and the starting point of the figure is not same, that's why it is an open figure. In D part you can see it is a closed figure as the starting point and the ending point both are same. In E part it is also a closed curve as the starting point and the ending point of the figure is same. Now question number 2. Draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following open curve and closed curve. These diagrams I have drawn only to tell you you can draw any of your diagrams. First, it is open curve. The following figure is an open curve, and you can draw any figure as you want, but it should be open. The joining, there should be no joining of the starting point and the ending point, so that this figure will be called open curve. Then closed curve. The following figure is called a closed curve as the starting and ending points are same, so it is a closed curve. Now question number 3. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. As we have earlier studied that polygon is a figure which is made up of straight lines only. So any figure we have to make which is made up of only straight line and then shade its interior part. Now we have made a polygon of 5 figure is there, that is called pentagon also, and in this you can see blue color is there. Here you can shade the interior. This blue color shows the interior part of the polygon, and this you have to shade using pencil. Now question number 4. Observe the following figure and answer the following. Is it a curve or is it closed? Here you can see the definition of curve is straight, non-straight. Any lines you are using to draw any figure on the paper, it is known as curve. So here you can see, yes, it is a curve as the lines are drawn to form this figures from this figure, and it is closed also. As you can see, the beginning and the ending point of this figure are same, so it is closed. Now question number 5. Illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. Means the conditions are given and you have to make diagram to show that is it possible or not. First condition is a closed curve, that is not a polygon. Second condition, a open curve made up entirely of line segments. And third is a polygon with two sides. Now first one, to make a closed figure but not a polygon. So we can draw a circle. Circle is a polygon, is not a polygon because it is not made up of straight lines, but it is a closed figure. So this way we can make this, and we can tell this is possible. Now in B part, the we have to make a open curve made up of entirely line segments. Curve should be open, but it should be made up of only line segments. So here this figure you can see basically made up of line segments, but it is open. So it is also possible. Now the third thing, a polygon with two sides. Now you must know this, a polygon has a minimum side, this is 3, and 3 sides polygon is called a triangle. Polygon cannot be formed using one line or two lines. A polygon can be formed using 3 or more than 3 lines, but not less than 3 lines. And the question is saying the polygon with two sides, so it is impossible to draw any polygon having two sides because 3 or more than 3 sides are required to make any polygon.